Hello and welcome to That Suite. My name is Sarah Emery and today I'm going to show you how to set up conditional highlighting for saved search result columns in NetSuite. Saved searches natively support conditional highlighting of results, which can easily be configured on the highlighting tab as shown here. So you can see I have a highlight when the amount is greater than $25,000. So when I save and run this, what you'll see is that the rows with amount values over $25,000 are highlighted in red. This is a great option for simple highlighting requirements across full result rows, but how can you configure more complex needs such as changing the text size or adding a background color in a single column? With a bit of HTML code, you can create dynamic highlighting logic that meets even the most complicated business requirements. I'm going to start by editing this search, and I'm going to remove the existing highlighting. Then I'll navigate to the results column and I'm going to add a new formula HTML field. So I'm just going to add this right next to our amount column. And I'm doing this because my highlighting is going to leverage HTML code, so I need to recreate the existing amount column in HTML format. I'll click to open the pop-up window. I'm going to add some simple HTML code here. And what I'm doing is I'm just setting up a red background color. And then I'm going to add in the amount tag and close out my tag. Okay, so I will rename this as amount so that we can see it alongside the native amount field. I'm going to save and run. So what you can see is that the background is red in just that column, but they are all red. So I want to start to implement my conditional logic at this point. I'm going to edit the search once again and edit my formula HTML field. So let me pop this up. This time I only want to display the red background when the amount is greater than $25,000. So I'm going to move the color that is that's being used here into a conditional case statement. So the way that that's going to look, I'm going to kind of build this out the way that I typically do. So I'm going to add the double pipes, and then I'm going to create my case statement. So case when amount is greater than 25,000, then I want to display my tag here. I'm going to put that in single quotes. And in all other cases, I just want no background color. Add my double pipes and put my single quote. Let's go ahead and save and run this. So now you can see I'm only getting the red highlighting in cases where the amount is $25,000 or more. So let's make this a little bit more dynamic. I'm going to edit it once again, and now I'm going to add highlighting for amounts over $4,500. I'll click into my formula and pop out the formula box. And just to make my life a little bit easier, I'm going to copy this whole block right here, and I'm going to paste it in. I'm going to change the amount to $4,500, and I'm going to replace the hex code with the hex code for a yellow. And now I will save and run. And you can see that I have red highlighting still for $25,000 or more, but now I also have highlighting of yellow in cases when the amount is $4,500 or more. I've opted to show background colors in my example, but the exact same approach could be used to apply other stylings such as bolded or enlarged text, font colors, or even background images. I love this trick because I can configure my highlighting logic at the individual column level instead of the row level, which allows me to get highly specific in how I define my criteria. I really hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, or if you have ideas about other topics you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe for even more NetSuite tips, tricks, and helpful hints. I'll be back again next week with another video to help you live that sweet life.